In the past, this is the part that many parents and students have difficulty with. As a result, I decided to do a little video as to how to complete the school selection part of the FAFSA. As you can see, this is for the 2021 to 2022 FAFSA form, and I have already completed the student demographics. The next step is the school selection part. When you get to this section, you want to click on to My Country is Not Listed. When you get to this section, you want to click on to My Country is Not Listed. When you get onto that page, you want to enter APO for the city and add Kadena High School as the school name, and then click Continue. Once here, you'll notice that Kadena High School will be listed, APO, and then foreign country. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.